Capricorn, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for March 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. Comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see. Capricorn. What's up with you ngayong March 2025? Capricorn. Okay, second house. You have Pisces, you have Uranus. Oh, okay. Something unexpected, something shocking ay maaring maganap pagdating sa inyong finances. This can be unexpected na source of income for some of you. Yung mga hindi nyo inaasahan na pwede nyo palang pagkakitaan. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng meron kayong ma-acquire na property or high ticket na gamit sa bahay. Let's say, bibili kayo ng appliances na medyo mahal, like TV, ref, or anything na very helpful sa household ninyo. Second house is also your talents and your skills. So, maaring meron kang i-explore na talents and skills mo. This can be related to your creativity or pwedeng related sa entertainment, related sa social media. Okay? So, you have Elhas. Elhas is defense. This is also shield. It's like protection. You are always protected, Capricorn. And always remind yourself to protect your energies. Kasi minsan parang nababaliwala na, kinakalimutan na lang natin. But you have to take care of yourself. Na laging you set intentions to the universe na protectionan ka. You know, through prayers, through spells, if you are into witchcraft. Or, you know, just setting that intention to always keep you safe and protected at all times. Or maaring ngayong March, you might need to defend yourself. Meron kang, kumbaga ipagtatanggol mo yung sarili mo. And this is also about following your instinct, your intuition. If there is something na parang off or parang you feel like, hindi ito makakabuti sa akin, then ibig sabihin nun, hindi yun makakabuti sa'yo. Okay? It's like, the universe is giving you signs, may mga senyales, may mga signos na pinapakita sa'yo na wag mong gawin or gawin mo. 'Di ba? So, you will be more in tune to your instinct and your intuition. You also have Dagas, which is self-love. So, ngayong March, you will also focus on taking care of yourself, yung needs mo, what you really want, kahit yung mga simpleng bagay, no, na, limbawa, peace of mind. Na you've been doing a lot of things, you've been very busy, pero hindi mo nabibigyan ng time yung sarili mo na, yung just doing nothing, 'di ba? Na it is also important na magkaroon ka ng time for yourself na wala kang ibang iniisip. You're just sitting still or just being still and relaxing. You also have, this is Gabo, which is blessings and opportunities coming in. So, maaring merong darating na blessing or opportunity for you to earn money, to focus on your finances, to take care of your finances ngayong March. So, be open to those ideas. It's more on creative to no? At hindi ito yung tipong, tataasan yung sweldo mo sa trabaho. Ito yung tipong outside of what you are already doing or your main career. So, pwedeng you are exploring other opportunities na na-discover mo na pwede ka palang kumita doon. 'Di ba? Let's say, nag-bake ka ng cake, Tapos, dinala mo sa workplace mo, nagustuhan ng mga katrabaho mo yung cake, and then, nag-order sila sa'yo, pwede ba magpagawa sa'yo ng cake? And then, eventually, dun na naging simula na nag-open ka na ng bakery or ng pastry shop dahil dun sa ginawa mong pag-bake ng cake. You get my point, no? So, it's like, doing something you love or being creative that will lead you to a new source of income or will open opportunities for a new source of income. You have the 11th house. You will gain popularity ngayong March, or you're going to be part of a large group na pwedeng ikaw yung magli-lead, or maaring being part of a group na kung saan magiging helpful or makakatulong sila sa'yo in so many ways. Pwede tong sa pag-join sa mga Facebook groups that will help you sa mga needs mo or mga importanteng bagay na interesado ka. You also have the 12th house, which is introspection, learning about what is really important sa buhay mo. You are aligning your chakras. I feel like you are also focusing on your health, especially your mental health. You have the 9th house, which is exploration. Some of you maaring may travel opportunities ngayong March. Malapit na yung summer or summer na kasi, diba? So, usually, people go out, explore, go swimming, excursion. So, you are going to explore places. Yung iba naman, this is about exploring your mind. You are exploring your spirituality, your creativity, your talents. Overall energy, the Ace of Pentacles, a new beginning coming in. This can be a new source of income, like what I mentioned kanina, na bagong pagkukunan ng kaperahan. O yung iba, may bagong trabaho, may bagong business, may sideline. Your challenge is the 4 of Cups. May mga pagkakataon na parang maisip mo, bakit wala ako nito? Bakit hindi ko to nararanasan? Sometimes we question that Kasi we tend to compare ourselves sa iba, lalo na if you are part of a group or you are into social media, you see a lot of things na pinopost ng ibang tao. But actually, if you focus on yourself, marami ka pang matutuklasan sa sarili mo na talent mo pala or kakayanan mo pala, na hindi mo na kailangang ikumpara yung sarili mo sa iba. And then, your opportunity is the 8 of Cups. As an opportunity, you may be leaving a situation. Aalis ka sa isang sitwasyon na hindi na nagsiserve ng highest good mo. This can be a relationship, a career, or a business that is no longer fulfilling for you. Your focus is the devil. Your focus is yourself. Kasi energy to ng Capricorn. Oo. It seems like meron kang, may rito, good thing. Meron kang ikakat na toxic situation sa buhay mo. Pwedeng yung mindset mo for some reasons. Pwedeng yung situation mo, mga tao sa paligid mo. And then your blessing is justice. This is karma. So, ang karma naman, this can be a good karma or bad karma. So, whatever you put out there sa universe, yun yung marireceive mo. So, ikaw na ang bahala kung anong blessing yung gusto mong ma-receive. Kaya, maging maingat sa mga ilalabas mo or what you put out, okay? Kung ang iniisip mo ay something negative, so maaring negative rin yung ma-manifest mo. So, you have to be very careful. An emotionally secure, loving family is important to you. Yes. So, maaring isa rin yan sa binibigyan mo ng value or bibigyan mo ng value ngayong March, your family. Tapos, biglang discord among family or friends. So, maaring you are securing your family at minsan kasi meron tayong mga family members na toxic na kailangan nating iwanan or iwasan na para sa kapayapaan ng isip natin. Deep personal strength and peace that assure success. Oh, ang ganda nito. This is very Capricorn energy. Meron kang personal strength na yan yung tutulong sa'yo para mas maging successful sa buhay. Increase your efforts if you want to achieve your goals. Yes, more effort, more success for you, Capricorn. Kaya you have to be aware o yung sa mga ginagawa mo ngayon, yung actions na ginagawa mo, in alignment ba yan sa goal mo? Kasi kung hindi, you have to exert more effort. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.